In a move that has surprised many of its users, Virtual Private Network, VPN, provider WeVPN has announced it will be shutting down. In a statement, the company cited unforeseen financial difficulties, leaving users with active subscriptions scrambling for a substitute. Fortunately, Windscribe, another leading VPN provider, has stepped in to provide free accounts to all WeVPN users so they can still access their online secure and protect their privacy. This is not an official partnership, but user experience is still expected to be of a high quality. Windscribe is offering free accounts to cover the remaining duration of each user's WeVPN subscription, however the amount of time offered depends on the type of subscription they had previously. For example, users with a lifetime subscription cannot necessarily expect the same amount of time with Windscribe. In a FAQ posted on Windscribe's Reddit page, a company representative said, "We have not purchased WeVPN in any capacity. This is purely a gesture of goodwill championed by our founder Jaeger." Windscribe is offering up to 2 years of free access for each WeVPN user, and it is a great opportunity for users to have an uninterrupted transition from one service to another. Windscribe offers a robust security system and excellent customer service to keep your privacy and online security intact. It is the perfect solution for people trying to maintain their privacy on the internet. For anyone looking for a reliable VPN service, Windscribe is an ideal choice. We at Tech Radar Pro recognize the uncertainties of the internet and digital world, and we understand the importance of maintaining your privacy and online security. We therefore encourage every user to take advantage of this offer and ensure their safety when browsing the internet. We also suggest you check out the best free VPNs and find the one that works best for you.